Hello guys, welcome to my video, and in this video I'm gonna teach you how to make the first steps on using the LLM4Time library. So in this video I'm gonna teach you how to use it using running on Python. If you want to use Docker, you can follow the instructions in the repository, but in this video I'm gonna use Python instead. Okay, so first of all, we have to create our virtual environment. So um, just to make it clear, I am using Windows. So maybe if you're using Linux, the commands will be a little bit different, but you can search it on Google how to do the exact same steps I'm doing here, but in the operational system that you're using. So if you're in Windows, you can use the exactly same commands I'm using. So Python, and that's it. I'm going to create the virtual environment. We just have to wait a little bit. And after creating it, we have to activate it. So the command for it is scripts activate. Okay, now as you can see, the virtual environment is activated. And now, just to be safe, we're gonna upgrade the pip. I think that's how it's called, pip or PIP. I don't know, but yeah, you can just use pip install upgrade pip setup tools and wheel. Okay, so let's do it some steps and wait a little bit. Now you can install the library itself using pip install LLM4Time. It might take a while, so we'll have to wait. So while we're waiting for it to load, I'm gonna talk about my channel for a little bit. So if you want to skip, if you just want the tutorial, you might want to skip this part. But this channel, I think I'm going to use it more often to practice my English skills. And I already have another channel that I used to speak in English that I just recorded gameplays until now. And in this channel, I think I'm gonna use Portuguese and English sometimes. For videos like that, like tutorials or videos where I'm using programming languages, where I'm teaching something step by step, I might prefer to use English instead of Portuguese. Not because I'm more comfortable with English, but because I know I have to practice. And in order to get better at this language, I have to practice more often. And this channel can be a great opportunity for it. Okay, guys, so let's just wait a little bit. Actually, instead of keep talking, I think I'm just gonna cut the video so then we don't have to wait a long time while the library is installing its dependencies. Okay, guys, so as you can see, The library is installed, and now you can go to the next step. Well, the next step is to use pip install -e dot, and now we just have to wait again. Most of this tutorial time is taken by waiting for it to load. But yeah, that's it. So I'm getting back once it's done. Okay, guys. At the end, it might appear this warning, but you don't have to be scared about it, or um, you know, it just appear, but it isn't a problem. It's just a warning, you know. So after running the last command, you can use Python. Oh, actually, I think it's pip install requirements and requirements dot dash streamlit dot txt, and this is the last command we have to run. So after this command, we can execute our application. So let's wait for it, and it might take a while to finish, but be patient, it will be worth it. So let's wait. Okay, so after all these steps, I've waited about 15 minutes, I guess, probably. Uh, okay, so the final step is to run the application. So Python app main.py. After using this command, the application will open your browser because Streamlit uses a web interface. So as you can see, it's running, and I'm gonna use a chart I already have. I've put it a model here in the settings. Here in the settings, you select your model, put your API key, and like the informations of your model, like your endpoint, or if you're using LLM Studio, you can run on your machine and just select the model you want to use. And here you select the what kind of prompt you want to give the LLM to make the forecast for forecasting, and the format of the output, and that's all. Once you're done, you click here to generate your analysis, and that's how you begin to use the LLM4Time library. If you have any questions, you can contact the team. Uh, the GitHub repository is right here in the description, I guess. And that's all. I hope I've helped you, and that's it. Bye.